Hi guys, it's Rachel. This is very exciting for me because it's been a while that I have been wearing lashes. Yes, I only wear lashes if I do like a makeup tutorial. Yeah, even that, I haven't done that for a while. I got this in the mail yesterday. This one is a package. I'm so excited. You know, the only downside of this is the shipping, because it took about a month or so before I get this. But anyway, enough of that. I'm going to show you guys what's in here. This company reached out to me. I know probably you heard this company before, but for those who haven't yet, you better watch this video. And so I'm going to open this, envelope. Like I said, I haven't wear lashes for, I don't know, many years now. This will be the first time that I will be wearing this. I will be doing a review and a try on of this lashes. This is from DODOLASHES. They sent me 2 pairs. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna try and show you guys how it looks on me. There's a paper right here. It says DODOLASHES. It's 100% mink eyelashes. The best price, the best mink lashes. Of course, they have their social media right here on this paper. If you're interested and give this a try, you better check their website. And I do have a coupon code. It's right here. It's RACHELTG. I'll put everything in the description box below. Instructions are on the back. I don't know, the lighting is probably too bright because every time I do the white color, it's just too bright. It says DODOLASHES application and stuff like that. Over here at the bottom about allergy testing. Of course, I can't see it. I don't have my glasses. I don't like to wear glasses if I'm filming because of the reflection, the light. I rather like this so you will see my face. And also excuse this one, guys. Right here, I got a zit, I have 2 of this. This one is a D360. It's right here. And see the instructions. The other one is this D115. I'm going to zoom in so you will see better because this one is kind of a little bit far. It's in this plastic. Yeah, like I said, the only downside of this one is the shipping because it took about a month or so before I get it in the mail. But finally, I got it yesterday. So if you're very patient like me, it probably worth it because, if you like lashes, it will be worth it for you. This is the packaging. It's very pretty. And look at the design on this side right here. It shows the lashes. And let's open this. Since I haven't wear lashes for years, I bought this one. It's the Duo Eyelash Glue, and it says quick set adhesive. I bought this because I don't know, I think I have 2 or 3 of this one and I don't know where they're at. It probably expired already. So rather get a new one and let's use it for this. If you're into lashes, this video is for you. And if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed, subscribe now. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. So let's start. This is what it looks like inside. What I'm gonna do is, of course, I have to measure it. So if there's any extra on this side, then I have to cut it. And if not, then that would be fine. I'm going to get a tweezer, guys. I got the tweezer and I got the scissor just in case that I have to cut it. Of course, I have a mirror. I don't know, I can't do it without mirror. It might take me a while. So this will be the left side and this will be for the right side. I'm going to try the right side first. Let's do this. Here it is. Just slowly. I'm going to test it on here if it fits just fine. It's not there yet. I didn't glue it yet because I just want to make sure if it's the right size or I don't have to cut it or anything. Okay, this one right here, it's a short lashes, and on this side it's kind of long, so I'm gonna put it on this left side of my eye, see how it goes. I think I don't need to cut it because it's already just right for me. And this is the before, and I'm going to show you guys the after. I'm going to put this glue, and this is the darker color or darker shade of the glue. See it? That is beautiful. Okay, see, there you go. I'm going to do the other side. It looks kind of dramatic to me because it's kind of long lashes. I'm going to test the other eye. Wow. How do I look? I don't have any makeup on aside from lipstick. This is what it looks like. This is D115. I can wear this if I go to a party, or even just, you know, for any occasions, or if you want to just go to the store or whatever, or go shopping and you feel like wearing, you know, lashes. I like it. It looks good on my eyes. So that's the first one, and I'm going to take this off and show you the second. I'll be right back. I took my first lashes off because I'm going to put the second one. This is the D360. I think I put too much glue on this side, so it's, you know, I have to take it off with that makeup remover. Maybe this one I'm not gonna put too much. So this is what it looks like, guys. I think I'm going to try this one will be on this, since, you know, the side is longer than the front. So we'll do the same, you know, process. I'm gonna measure this and see. So this is different. The first one is more like thicker, and this one is not quite as thick as the other one. I didn't put glue because it's already sticking to the skin. Yeah, you can add glue if you want, but this is just a demo on how I apply this lashes. Yeah, you can go ahead and apply the glue, but for me, I'll just leave it like that for now. Like, if you want to wear this and, you know, go somewhere, you better apply glue. Or else if it's windy, then it might come off or something. I like it too, and it's not too dramatic as the first one. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom it and see what you think. After you wear makeup, you can wear these lashes. Yes, so that's it, guys. That's how I apply the lashes. Thank you for sending this Dodo lashes. I'm happy. Finally, I got 2 pairs. Yeah, so far I'm loving it. It's beautiful. If you have any questions, you can just leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.